Hello, Fastener enthusiasts and industry professionals. Chris Young here, and I'm live in the Fastener TV studio. Welcome to your weekly roundup of the latest in fasteners, industry news, trends, upcoming events, and industry scholarships. Let's dive into this week's episode, In the News with Fastener News Desk.
Thanks, Chris. I'm Lisa Kleinhandler, Editor-in-Chief at Fastener News Desk, reporting the latest news making headlines the week of July 1st, 2024. During the recent Rapid+TCT additive manufacturing event, Würth Additive Group, an innovator in digital supply chain solutions and part of the global leading Würth Group, announced a strategic partnership with Raise 3D, a leading 3D printing hardware and consumables manufacturer, and Henkel, renowned for its adhesives and Loctite additive resin materials. This collaboration signifies the start of a customer-focused mission to bring 3D printing to everyday applications. MSC Industrial Supply, a premier distributor of metalworking, maintenance, repair, and operation supplies to industrial customers, announced the acquisition of Aptex and Premier Tool Grinding. Under the purchase agreement, both companies will continue to operate under their current names as MSC companies. Combined, the two companies have an estimated revenue of slightly over $20 million in 2023 and have 58 associates. Both acquisitions are expected to be net neutral to MSC's fiscal year 2024 net income. Threaded Fasteners Incorporated, a leader in the fastener industry, announced the acquisition of Ricco Fasteners, located in Thomasville, Georgia. This move marks the 17th branch location for Threaded Fasteners and elevates their mission to create value in and for the people they serve, as they continually position themselves for additional growth and innovation. In technology news, Omnia Partners, the country's largest public and private group purchasing organization, announced a major expansion of Opus, the company's free e-commerce platform that provides public sector and nonprofit agencies access to industry-leading pricing and contract terms across hundreds of suppliers. 8 new suppliers have made their catalogs available for purchase in Opus, representing more than 4 million SKUs in more than 90 categories, including maintenance, repair, and operations, protective safety equipment, office supplies, and medical education supplies. Newly added industrial suppliers who are now selling on Opus include Global Industrial, Grainger, Lawson, and MSC Industrial Supply. Fastener News Desk is celebrating Fastener Industry VIPs. In this new segment, we'll spotlight the dedicated professionals who are driving the industry forward. Whether they've received a significant promotion or achieved advanced certifications, these individuals exemplify the pursuit of excellence and innovation in the fastener world. Join us as we honor their hard work, dedication, and milestones they've reached on their career paths. Their stories not only inspire, but set a benchmark for what's possible when passion meets expertise. Meet the industry movers and shakers making this week's episode of In the News. Meet this week's Fastener Industry VIP, Matt Loftus. Matt was recently promoted to Director of Strategic Accounts at Advanced Components. In Matt's new role, he'll continue his work in establishing and maintaining strong relationships with advanced key customers, recognizing opportunities for expansion and working in conjunction with internal teams to fulfill customer requirements while seeking to improve sales performance. Matt has worked at Advance for over 10 years in previous roles as Regional Account Manager and Strategic Account Manager and has developed a reputation with his peers and management as a collaborative team worker and excellent customer relationship manager. Just 3 months away from celebrating National Manufacturing Day. Manufacturing Day will be celebrated Friday, October 4th. Manufacturers and their partners across the U.S. are gearing up to demonstrate to students, parents, and educators that careers in manufacturing are diverse, high-tech, innovative, well-paying, in demand, and potentially life-changing. Be sure to download the Host Toolkit and Marketing Toolkit to support your planning and messaging leading up to Manufacturing Day 2024. Resources and toolkits are available at mfgday.com.
Fastener Training Institute's Fastener Basics 4-part webinar series final training class will take place on June 27th. FTI's Fastener Basics course provides extensive fastener parts knowledge to those new to the fastener industry and those looking to better understand fastener products. For more information about upcoming webinars, visit fastenertraining.org. Don't miss out on the ultimate ballgame experience with the Midwest Fastener Association as they head to Milwaukee for an unforgettable day at American Family Field to see the Milwaukee Brewers take on the Pittsburgh Pirates. Friends and family are welcome. Happening Thursday, July 11th at 1:10 p.m. Hurry and reserve your tickets today. The deadline is May 11th or when tickets run out. Go to mwfa.net to reserve your tickets. Plan to join the Midwest Fastener Association for their highly anticipated Fastener Week, taking place August 18th through the 21st. The event includes a Sleep in Heavenly Peace organization, bed building event, plant tours, a welcome mixer, fastener failures seminar, the 42nd annual MWFA Fastener Show, a fastener bash, and golf outing. And if that's not enough, there's Fastener Training Week, your chance to become a certified fastener specialist during Fastener Week. Register today at mwfa.net. The Fastener Training Institute announced Fastener Training Week Chicago. Fastener Training Week returns to Chicago this year from August 19th through the 23rd. The event will be hosted by the Midwest Fastener Association as part of their annual Fastener Week. For more information and to register, go to fastenertraining.org.
Würth Additive Group is touring the USA on their Demo Days 2024 tour. If you are looking to turn a physical part into a digital model you can print on demand, you won't want to miss the opportunity to meet with the Würth Additive Group. Next stop is scheduled for August 28th in Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. For more information and tour dates, go to WürthAdditive.com.
The stories featured in this week's episode of In the News can be found at Fastener News Desk or in our feed at Fastener News at x.com, the new Twitter rebrand, on LinkedIn in the Fastener News group, and at Fastener News at Threads. If you'd like to share your company's news or events, contact me, Lisa at FastenerNewsDesk.com. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of In the News with Fastener News Desk. Until next week, be well and keep it fascinating.